Hey, it's Thomas, organic health and wellness coach over here at SixPackAbs.com. Now, I want to take a minute to tell you about cleaning out something much more important than just your house. I want to talk about cleaning out your body. You see, just like cleaning out your house, you need to get rid of harmful toxins and waste that's been built up. And the number one way to naturally do that and stay in lean, healthy shape that I want you to focus on right now is this: detoxing. See, detoxing is so important because it allows the body to sort of purge the fat cells that actually have all the toxins built up, which therefore means you're able to burn them a lot faster and you're able to get in the shape that you deserve to be in. So look at it this way. We all take out the trash at home because we don't want trash everywhere, right? But what about the mildew, the mold, and the other toxins that are hiding in the crevices and hard to reach corners of the house? Those are the toxins that hide below and within surfaces that we can't see or get to. And those are the ones that are harder to clean. That can lead to major illnesses and some serious health issues. And no matter how organized and tidy your house may look, these toxins will continue to wreak havoc beneath the surface on your home, your loved ones, and yourself. So to get rid of these toxins, it takes some deep, detailed cleaning. So today I want to give you the tools and the step-by-step instructions to start this deep clean on your body and start detoxing today. Head over to detoxwithsuperfoods.com now so I can send you my free guide to detoxing your body completely to help naturally burn off body fat, improve your energy levels, sharpen mental clarity, and boost your overall health and your body. You see, our bodies throw out the normal trash when we use the restroom, but for the deeply embedded toxins, the harmful free radicals, and the dangerous microflora that are leached like parasites to our fat cells that prevent us from getting healthier in shape, no matter what type of extreme low-calorie diet or intense workout you try to do, it's not that simple. But that's where detoxing comes in. Just like your house that has multiple rooms to clean, your body has different rooms too. Your different organs. I'm talking about your intestines, your heart, your stomach, your liver, and even your skin. And we have to help our bodies out and detox these organs every day. It's a never-ending daily battle. You'd think it's easier to put up with dirty bathroom or kitchen and mildew and mold than bothering to clean it. Just avoid it, right? That is, until the mess spreads to other parts of the house, and before you know it, there isn't an inch you can step in the house that isn't contaminated and filthy. Here's the thing, with your body, you're living in it constantly, and you can't just avoid it and ignore it. That toxic buildup is not only staying with your fat cells, but it causes your body to begin packing on more and more unwanted body fat. Everyone can see this weight that keeps packing on, your low energy levels and looks of being fatigued and lethargic. That's why I'm going to show you in detail with evidence from peer-reviewed studies and published scientific journal entries how to clean out every room in your body over the next 14 days, one organ at a time. This entire detox plan will introduce you to the 13 key superfoods for detoxing that you're going to need to start taking in daily. The scientific research behind each and every single one of these foods that are proven to detoxify each organ and flush away the harmful toxins that are disrupting our hormones and keeping you from achieving the health and fitness goals that you want to achieve. Over a dozen detox recipes to choose from in my book. Plus all the tools that you need to create your own custom smoothies for total body detoxification, all within a precise, science-based plan. It's all here in my book, The Superfood Detox Code. Now, I've already given away thousands of books to my current most committed clients for free. And today I have about 124 or so books left to give out. But I want to ensure that I can give those who want to take action and get into the body and the health they deserve now, so don't waste any more time and get their free copy of my book right now. So while I'm trying to finish cleaning, head on over to detoxwithsuperfoods.com and grab my hardcover book for free. And once I'm all done here, I'll personally mail out that copy to you. What are you waiting for? There's nothing to lose but those disgusting, harmful toxins and unsightly body fat. Get your free copy now at detoxwithsuperfoods.com. I'll see you there.